Today we've got an official look at the new Pixel 8 Pro along with more confirmation on its specs and features. First up, before we get into the reveal, for anyone that doesn't want to wait for the new Pixel, Best Buy are currently running a deal where you can get an unlocked Pixel 7 Pro for $700 or the standard Pixel 7 for $450. The links are down in the description for anyone that wants to check it out. Now next up, we've got an update from Roland Quant, and he confirms that the new Pixel 8 Pro is going to come in a choice of 128, 256 or 512 storage, whereas the standard Pixel 8 is going to be available in 128 or 256. He also confirms that the Pixel 8 is going to come in a choice of licorice, peony or haze, whereas the Pixel 8 Pro is going to be available in licorice, porcelain and sky. A leaked official teaser also gives us a good look at the sky color that you can see here. Now this is the new leaked official teaser for the Pixel 8 series showing a woman on a skateboard, and it's showcasing a new feature coming, which is Audio Magic Eraser. So we've had the Magic Eraser on current Pixels, which removes unwanted objects from images, and judging by this teaser, the Audio Eraser not only removes background noise, but also loud foreground noises as well, so we'll just take a listen. So you can see from that clip that it seems to perform very well, and I'm excited to try out this new feature. While Google don't put the latest flagship chipsets in their phones, they do offer some incredible AI tools which just keep getting better and better. Now we've also had many reports that they will be seeing a new video unblur as well, and this is going to be similar to the photo unblurs but for videos, but we're going to have to wait and see if these features are just for the Pixel 8 and the Pixel 8 Pro, or if they get passed down to the older Pixels as well. Now the end of the teaser gives us a good shot at the blue Pixel 8 Pro, as you can see here, and it looks exactly the same as these renders I've been showing you for months, so you can be pretty certain that this is exactly what the Pixel 8 Pro is going to look like. Now for those excited for the new Pixel 8 or the Pixel 8 Pro, we're going to run through the full specs, design and the pricing to help you guys decide which one is right for you. So first up, we've got the standard Pixel 8. With the standard Pixel 8, we get a 6.17-inch flat display. It's a 120Hz Full HD Plus OLED with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 and a peak brightness of 1400 nits. We get a 10.8 megapixel punch hole camera for the selfies, and then on the rear we've got a 50 megapixel Samsung GN2 for the primary camera and a 15 megapixel Sony IMX386 for the ultra wide. It's of course powered by Google's new Tensor G3 chipset, and it comes with 8GB of RAM and a choice of 128 or 256 storage. We get a 4485mAh battery with 24W wired charging and 20W wireless. We also get 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and an ultra-wideband chip as well. And of course, the phone is going to ship with Android 14. The phone is launching in October and we're still awaiting confirmation of the prices, but it's estimated to launch around $650 to $700. Now next up, we've got the Pixel 8 Pro, and for the first time ever, we get a 6.7-inch 120Hz flat display on the Pro model. It's coming with a resolution of 2992 by 1344, giving us 490 pixels per inch. We get a peak brightness of 1600 nits. We get a 10.8 megapixel punch hole camera for the selfies, and then on the rear we get a 50 megapixel Samsung GN2 for the primary camera, a 64 megapixel Sony IMX787 for the ultra wide, and then a 48 megapixel GM5 for the telephoto, and it's going to have 5x optical zoom. It's of course powered by Google's new Tensor G3 chipset, and it comes with 8GB of RAM and a choice of 128, 256 or 512 storage. We get a 4950mAh battery with 27W fast wired charging and then 23W wireless. We also get 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7 and ultra wideband, and then we also get a new temperature sensor which is brand new to the Pixel series. Now the phone will of course ship with the new Android 14, and the phone is launching in October. Again, we're still awaiting confirmation of the prices, but I estimate it's going to launch at around $950 to $1,000. So like many phones this year, the new Pixel 8 series has minor design changes to its predecessor, and focus has been on hardware and user experience on top of the new temperature sensor and AI features, so it's probably not going to make anyone with a Pixel 7 rush for an upgrade, but for anyone with an older Pixel or looking to get their first Pixel, it is going to be a great choice. Of course, as always with Google, we'll probably know everything there is to know way ahead of the October launch, and as soon as anything else comes in, I'm going to be sharing it straight away. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.